Okay, here is, let me fix this for a moment. This is a rhythm by Johann Sebastian Bach, and this has notes in it that I haven't even taught yet. It's got a note. Look at these notes. These are notes here in the middle have 3 flags in them. This one goes that way. And then it's surrounded by a note with 2 flags, and on the side a note with 2 flags. Okay. That's what each of these are. And this is actually, believe it or not, all of this is 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 3 quarter notes take up the same amount of space. And this rhythm comes from a piece of music in which there's 3 beats per measure. And I haven't decided whether or not I'll reveal which piece this is. But let's figure out what this means. Now, if it was, we've got a 16th note here and a 16th note here. So we know that there's 4 16th notes per beat, per quarter note. So there's one 16th note here, and we know there's a 16th note on the end. And then we've got these 4 notes with 3 flags in the middle. And I'll tell you that one of these, this is called a 32nd note, as opposed to a 16th note. Yeah. And so it takes 2 32nd notes to equal the duration of one 16th note. So now you can figure out that we're going to need 4 of these to equal the amount of space of 2 16th notes. And that's exactly what we need. We need the duration of 2 16th notes to complete this quarter note of duration, this 1 beat of duration. And that's what we do. We take this and we move it into here. And that gives us our full 4 16th notes of duration. Now, how does this sound? Well, if it was 4 straight 16th notes, it would be bum ba ba ba. And we know that we begin with ba and we end with ba. But in the middle, we're going to have 4 quicker sounds. So it's going to go bum ba 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 ba. Bum ba 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 ba. Okay, how does that work? 1 E and A. Those are the 4 16th notes. And now in the E and the and, we are going to be adding, we're going to split the E into 2, and we're going to split the and into 2. So instead of 1 E and A, it's going to be 1 E and A. 1 bum 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 ba. Now this second part of the and goes straight into the There's no pausing. This is an entire 16th note, 1. And this is an entire 16th note, The E has 2 parts, E. And the and has 2 parts, and. That's not the most graceful way of saying it probably, but 1 E and or bum ba 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 bum. That is a rather complicated beat. So, and Bach has 3 of them. 3 of them in consecutive order. So bum ba 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 bum bum ba 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 bum 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 bum. Maybe you've heard this piece. Maybe not. In the next measure of this piece, well, a lot of the measures in this piece feature this rhythm. Bum ba 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 bum bum ba 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 bum bum ba 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 bum. Now things get pretty complicated after this, and I'm gonna dedicate the next video to the next measure.